Annotate at the speed of AI.
Some segments.
Grounding Dino detects. You verify. The Annotation Studio, where raw data becomes training-ready labels. The canvas. Bounding boxes, polygons, key points directly on the frame. Tool palette. Box, polygon, brush, point, polyline. Keyboard shortcuts for speed.
AI-assisted labeling.
Sam segments the object. Grounding Dino finds every instance. You verify. Label taxonomy. Classes, colors, hierarchies. Consistent across your entire dataset. Frame navigator. Jump between frames. Propagate labels. Track objects across time. Export in Cocoa, YWLO, or custom format. Annotations flow into your training pipeline. 10 times faster than manual labeling. That is the Annotation Studio.